Welcome to the Mangroves, Davao City. It's a resort, which is dito kami kakain, magdi-dinner ng pamilya ko. Siyempre, check namin yung location and the view, the ambience, so wonderful. Ang ganda ng dagat. That's why I love mangroves. So, highly recommended, of course. Kung gusto nyo pumunta dito at talagang ma-accommodate kayo, make sure to have reservation. Kasi talagang punuan dito every weekend. Mostly kasi meron silang comedian, stand-up comedian to perform, to enjoy the night, entertain all the customers. So, napaka-accommodating naman dito ng mga staff nila. Talagang matutuwa ka, napaka-hospitable naman. And then the venue, malawak siya, hindi ka mabubore. Then meron din siyang pang kids, matutuwa talaga yung mga kids. Kung gusto nyo ng kids mag-enjoy all night, dito talagang sulit. And then heading to our reservation table, makita nyo maliwanag pa. So meron yung dagat, makikita mo pa, pero hindi pa siya high tide. We're waiting for the high tide. And then this is our food we ordered, and sulit naman, masarap siya. And then of course, ito na yung starting sa kain, yung bodle fight. Okay, start naman mag-enjoy yung family. So kamay-kamay na dyan kasi bodle fight. And then that's for you, Katerlyn and Jason. Okay, yung mga kids, ayan, starting na ang kainan. So hindi nyo mapapansin, talagang at the background meron yung nagpa-perform dyan ng mga comedian. So minute lang for no copyright. Okay, so yan, si Jason nagpa-perform siya kasi kailangan ng representative bawat table, you know, to have fun, hindi ka KJ, so makisabay ka. So ang ganda din naman ng boses ni Jason. Clap, clap, clap. Congrats, Jason, you perform well. And then we enjoyed. We're so proud of you. I love your voice, parang girl talaga. So nakakatuwa talaga yung ganito na magbabanding kayo ng pamilya mo. Of course, mas masaya, mas sama-sama, banding together, diba, mas happy. And this is the highlight of the evening. Makita nyo, pabuga-buga talaga yan siya dyan. Pero yung mga tao dyan, lahat nagsisitawanan na po lahat ng mga tao dyan, kasi nga hindi nyo lang maririnig yung sa background. Kasi nga panay perform yan, pabuga-buga, yun pala pabuga-buga lang talaga siya. And then yun nga, sa kasamaang palad is yun pala napaso na yung dila niya. So mahirap talaga maging stand-up comedian. Kaya naman kung may mga event kayo na makikita na ganyan, i-appreciate nyo talaga kasi mas mahirap magpatawa ng tao. So that night naman ay talagang enjoy na enjoy kami. Yun nga, binigyan ng tip namin, then paikot din sila, just having fun lang naman. Then yung iba, mga galante din, nagbibigay ng malaki-laki. So yun, sobrang nakakatuwa that night. Talagang ang pamilya ay sulit na sulit ang dinner. So ang mangroves ay may recommend ko talaga na good for family having fun. If you want to see the seaside, you know, yung high tide, talagang lalapit na yung dagat sa paa mo. So yun nga lang, kami hindi kami sinuwerte kasi hindi siya high tide at night. Talagang dapat mag-wait kami until 12 midnight, but maaga kami umalis. So kung makita nyo dyan, talagang nag-iikot pa sila. And then the food was so delicious and talagang may tira pa. And then the kids enjoying the night talaga. Tapos na sila dyan, nagsiselfie na lang. Kanina pa yan sila panay laro dun sa likod. And then meron din silang duyan for kids. And then dyan, pa-selfie na lang, waiting for the night to leave. Waiting for the check, of course. Chatting with the family. Yan lang naman ang ganap dyan, no? Minsan lang naman magka-banding-banding ng ganito na maramihan talaga. So thankful and grateful for this evening, for this experience. Thank you to my sister for this treat. I love you, and to all family who was attended and present that night. I'm so happy, and wala lang, masaya lang kami that night kasi talagang bawal ang nega dito na time, no? So enjoy lang. So okay naman, worth it. Total is 10-10 overall, lalo na sa mga kids. Okay, so dito naman is ayan, paano selfie groovy. Waiting for the night to end. Dito sinushow ko sa inyo yung mangroves, okay, but there's no water. It's not high tide, so sad, but maybe next time. Of course, back and then ayan ulit, pasyal ulit, and then again, just keep smiling. That's life. We have to enjoy life. Life is too short to be unhappy, so always be grateful of life. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful experience that we shared this night. And this is the time, no? Malapit na talaga kami umuwi niyan. So backstage yan. Selfie with my baby girl, of course. Creating memories. So ganyan lang kami mag-ina, no? So thank you for everything, my love, and of course until next time, thank you.